But you haven't seen one of these before because I'm an Oldsmobile guy and I never see one of these. It's a 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass with the 442 package on it. This has undergone a nut and bolt body off the frame restoration, loaded up with options, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, power trunk, power antenna, tilt wheel, and there's a 4-speed sitting on the floor. Because in 1964, it was a 442 and it actually meant 4-barrel, 4-speed, dual exhaust. And in 65, they went with automatics, but this is the early version of the 64 442 Oldsmobile's muscle car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I called this car a mirror on wheels because it is just absolutely like a mirror. The glass is crystal clear. The paint, you can shave in the reflection. The chrome seems to be just exceptional quality. So every square inch of the body, I already looked it over, is straight. I don't see ripples, damage, bubbles. All the lines are all square and flush, all smooth along the bottoms, not a little door ding or nothing. The jambs are all painted slick, shuts like new, laser straight, beautiful, all absolutely clean, straight metal, all nice. Nice body lines, nice, handsome, clean lines. There's a little hairline crack right here I just seen, a little crack in the paint. But all this is clean, smooth, square, flush, all painted slick in the jambs. And painted ebony black. I love the red accent. So these side moldings are restored and has a little red stripe in there. Same thing with the molding on top of the hood, has the red on top. Now the letters, this whole bar was sent out and re-chromed. The bumper has T3 reproduction headlights in it, but everything up here is just sparkling. Has the 442 emblems. Cutlass emblem looks new. Again, the windshield crystal clear. The stainless trim is all polished. The vent window frame looks like it's re-chromed. All the window fuzzies and weather strips are replaced. Door handles are new. Convertible top was replaced. It's a power top. It's black. Even the top irons are painted gloss black. All the rubber is new and soft. There is a white boot in the trunk. Doesn't have the snaps on it, but there is a boot that goes with it. They put the SS1 wheels on there. They're the chrome 14-inch wheels with BFGoodrich radial redline tires. What a nice combination. Power antenna, which wasn't working. I just tried that when I pulled in. This whole tail panel is excellent. This frosted metal, I don't know if this is restored or mint original or what, but that whole panel's real nice. The bumper's beautiful. Good looking car. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. Now this has a power trunk release in the glove box. That does work. It's vacuum operated. I tried it earlier. Painted slick. Look underneath the trunk lid and the jam, all painted real nice. Has reproduction stickers, weather strip. The well liner at the top goes into the mat, all reproduction. The whole inside's clean metal with a nice spatter finish. It has a 5th matching BFGoodrich radial tires, never been driven on. Painted rim, complete jack assemblies restored. There's the white boot, shop manual, and a real nice soft car cover for that beautiful black paint. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when these new videos are posted. Yeah, nice car. The latches were disassembled when they painted it. Weather strips replaced. All new white upholstery, reproduction door panels, armrests, the handles, and notice they're power windows too. Very nice inside. All the metals painted slick. Has the optional padded dash, which looks like new, and this whole instrument panel. Looks to be in really nice shape. And this is simple, but I like these ashtrays. Isn't that cool? Kind of like a secret door. The radio works. In the glove box, there's another shop manual, service manual. It's on CD. Is it even in here? Yeah, it is. New glove box liner. There's a trunk release. Nice kick panels, real nice fitting black carpet with some embroidered mats. The center console's in exceptional shape. I'll call it an 8. It has a factory tachometer, the reverse lockout 4-speed shifter. The seats are reupholstered. In back, again, the carpet, the mats are real nice, and wall-to-wall reupholstered seat, armrest, side panels, power windows, working interior lights. The steering wheel is in beautiful shape. I don't know if that's restored or reproduction. I mean, it is on a tilt column. So this car's got some nice options, including the Oldsmobile vanity mirror. And then it has a day and night mirror here as well. So really nice interior. Not only does that white look fantastic against the black, but I'm telling you, it stays a lot cooler. Yeah, black interior out in the sun, you can't even sit on the seat sometimes. So that's the 330 motor with 310 horsepower. It's a 4-barrel. This comes with a high compression cam, or a little hotter cam. It's a comp cam that's in this one. Now this air cleaner, the dual snorkel, was on the 442. It's supposed to be ultra rare. I compared it to pictures online, and it's identical to the ones that I had seen. I found one for $1,300 just for this air cleaner. According to the casting codes, it is a proper motor, and you can see everything, all the brackets, all the wires, GM clamps, or GM hoses and clamps. Look at the firewall, the fender well, all painted nice. It has the splash shields, it has the windshield washer concentrate, it has the little splash shields here, the correct open front alternator, the horns, the wiring, the radiator, all this looks to be in beautiful shape. Delco battery topper with spring clamp cables, properly bolted down, has a disconnect switch. The washers are hooked up, and we got power steering. We got upgraded power brakes. In 64, would have had one reservoir. This is dual reservoirs, a lot safer. And it's got the rubber on the cowl there. It's got the hood insulation. It's very complete, very proper, very clean. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, the top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. Beautiful day here. It's really going to enjoy this one. Really excited about the car too. Really nice frame off restoration on this Cutlass 442 package here. Not every day you see one of these, and definitely don't see one in these colors if you do. Absolutely beautiful. And seems to run well also. Got a 330 V8 under the hood. It's factory rated at 310 horsepower, and that's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, making this car even more desirable. Our shop went over this car, and just like every car that comes out of the museum, and we service them. Between service and detail, we had a total bill of $4,800 on this one. And that's because we actually removed the transmission, had it rebuilt, and then reinstalled it. So that was, our big ticket item for this one. Seems to work really well from my limited experiences with it. Nice easy clutch pedal, and seems to shift really smoothly. Lots of luxury options on this one, power options if you will. with the power windows and power steering, power top, power antenna. It's really, really loaded up, which makes it much more desirable and much more rare. Now let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without thinking twice. Awesome, does everything that we want it to. Sounds great, feels great. No complaints. Just a beautiful, straightforward, detailed restoration on a very desirable and rare vehicle. Let's see how it goes down the road. Sometimes you know when you let them go, if they go straight, this thing is dialed in like crazy. Somebody's gonna have a great time in this one and look very good while they're doing it as well. So check out all the details on our website at volocars.com. And if you want to come take it out for a test drive, you're more than welcome. Just give us about a day's notice. And yeah, I'd encourage it. Have a lot of fun doing it too.
So it was body off frame restored. Underneath looks as nice as everything else you've seen so far. All of the steering and suspension completely taken apart. All the chassis components painted real nice and smooth. All the suspension rebuilt. It has the rally suspension. It's front and rear sway bars, boxed rear control arms. All new fuel system, all new exhaust system, like a factory type exhaust system. The brake system was completely redone. I'm talking the brake lines, the e-brake cables, and they did upgrade it to disc in front. They hadn't come out yet. They were all drum, but this one now has disc. So every component under this car looks practically brand new. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter's clean. It has a correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. The drive shaft's clean, goes back to the 10-bolt rear end. The floors are all nice, clean metal, painted black. All the body bushings are replaced. Beautiful car, folks. Rare car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 64 Olds delivered to your garage. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.